hopefully we're not gonna cut off any digits today. Or, I don't know what I'm saying. I mean, this thing is heavy, so if something goes wrong, you know, I might lose a limb. I am like, simplifier, it's gonna, well, we're gonna do like, totally, I don't know. Hey guys, it's Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. I am very, very excited today. Got some brand new tools in the shop, and new tools always mean fun, 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 fun. So we're gonna have some fun today. Look, I've got this hole cutter, and so you guys know we've really been ramping up our cornhole board production, and I've been cutting the holes with my router and a jig, and that works great and everything. It just ties my router up, and it's a little cumbersome. So I got this bad boy right here. I'm gonna call it Big Red. I got Big Red the other day, and it's a perfect 6-inch hole. Hopefully this is gonna really simplify our process and speed it up a little bit too, and I hope it's gonna make a nice, clean cut. So I haven't used it, so I'm gonna share this with you guys today, and we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what we can hopefully not tear up. So alrighty, so let's get Big Red hooked up and ready to go. Man, this thing is heavy. Man, I like that a lot. Look out, Jack. All right, we're gonna do some damage. All right, so the hole on a standard cornhole board, the center of it is 9 inches down from the top, and of course halfway across. And since the board's 24 inches wide, that's at 12 inches. So right there is where we want to drill our hole. Ba-bam! All right, to try to get as clean of a cut as possible, I'm gonna drill part of the way through here, then I'm gonna flip it over and then drill from the other side. That way we'll kind of score this, and hopefully there won't be a lot of tear out. And let's just see how it goes. I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna go. So I'm gonna put the tip of our drill bit right here, and that's gonna guide us. Woo! Good Lord. All right, that's a pretty good score right there. So now we'll flip it over and hopefully do the same thing from the other side, and it looks pretty clean so far. I am excited. Here we go again. I just want to share this thing of beauty. Ah, look at that. Ah. That makes me happy. Ah, I love it. I mean, it's just a little sand and this thing's ready to go. I think Big Red is a success. I'm gonna keep you. I like it. I like it. Mwah. Just FYI, I did another board and I decided not to score one side and then flip it over just to kind of see what would happen. Now this is the back side, but you can see there was a lot of tear out there. Now I'll sand this off, but still I don't like it because that doesn't need to be there. So anyway, we'll know not to do that again. All right, guys, so that's it. That was really easy. I think Big Red is really gonna simplify and speed up our cornhole board production. So I'm really excited to see what the future holds for this. Thanks a lot for hanging out with me. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Go make something. Hey guys, thank you again for hanging out, and thank you so much for supporting the work that we do here at Apple Valley Farm and OT2 Games. Hey, to watch our latest video, be sure to click right up here and to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which will change your life. Be sure to click down here. Thanks a lot, take care, have a great day, and have fun.